Kofeld has said that they're the coach that it's not quite the same profession as it was before the pandemic.
ผมนอนอยู่มาเล
Feels a bit more like going to work.
มาเลเซียเดินยนต์มาเลเซีย
Again, being an extraordinary moment. But you have to give players, coaches, and the staff massive credit for keeping this show on the road under the most unbelievable pressure. Also have to give credit to those who put the very stringent, very successful hygiene concept together. Davy Zelka in reserve, but what will Florian Kofeld do? Equalise. The goal was taken